Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Wednesday the 6th of April 2022. Looking across the crypto markets today, you're seeing everything in the red and the same can be said for a lot of equities as well. We're seeing a more broad-based risk-off move which has been in place ever since Fed Vice Chair Brainard came on the docket yesterday and made some very hawkish remarks about a faster rate hike, a faster QT initiation, selling of assets back to the market. And just spooked markets, particular bond markets, but then that's also played into the hands of sellers in equities, which have been moving lower, and that's why you're seeing a move down in crypto too. Remember, crypto denominated against the US dollar, trading pegged to the US dollar across the board here, and a lot of flow has been going into the US dollar on the back of them comments. And we've got FOMC later on today as well, so maybe market just pricing in some more hawkish comments in that FOMC report due later on in the US session. Let's take a look at cryptos then. We've got Ethereum, which is breaking below that 3,400 mark. We said that Ethereum had been looking probably a little bit brighter than Bitcoin in recent trade, but basically it's faded them entire gains, and now we're trading back at levels, back at the price we'd seen more or less mid to early last week. Sellers looking to regain control then. You're seeing a little bit more red creep into market, particularly on Bitcoin. You've only had the one real up day over the past week, and that's been over the weekend. And trading back below that double top high now, which we said it needed to hold. You had an inside bar yesterday on the daily, doji bar the previous day, which we talked about potential break of either the up level or the down of that doji bar. We didn't get that yesterday, but what we did get was an inside bar and a pretty nice looking setup, if truth be told, after the rejection off the 200-day moving average for a breakout in either direction, but with a lot of red on the charts here and with the 200-day looming, a nice breakout to the downside has certainly looked more favorable. Look, they are holding just back above that daily low there from Monday as we're speaking now, but we have threatened to pierce below that, and a daily close below that doji bar low, back below that double top high, and we could see this market move back down into its 50-day moving average at around 41,750. Ripple at 80 cents, just above 80 cents in fact, holding up a little bit better. It has key support here at 78 cents. Of course, the 80 cents is more of a round number, and that's where we're just holding on to. But once again, finding support at that level around 78 cents. If that pierces to the downside, then 75 cents shouldn't be ruled out, and then 70 cents below there. So basically, they're the two next levels to the downside. But again, after that bounce so far today, it is looking rather promising for the bulls to be able to get a close at least above the 78, but above the 80 would be even more preferable, and they can keep us range trading between 85 and 80. Litecoin looking to hold on to 120, but just dipping below there, as we can see, back below that descending trend line. We've got 105 to the downside, which isn't too far away now either, and a move down into 93 shouldn't be ruled out, especially if we get a strong daily close below the 120. 105, there's not really too much in the way of support between 120 and 105. Potentially a first stop would be at 115, where we saw a little bit of resistance in recent times, but apart from that, it'd be a move back into 105 that I'd be favouring. No major headlines to bring your way today out of the crypto space, so I'll leave it there for today. If there is anything else, I'll post it inside the chat room. Until next time, I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care everyone, and bye for now.